Hi all colleagues of the She Research Group. She would like to ask you if you could be interested in presenting some of your research through our She YouTube channel. In this short video, I will explain to you what the task is about. What we would ask you to do is to make a short video of a maximum 10 minutes where you present a smaller part of your research to the layperson. So remember that the target group of the video is people like school teachers, school heads, and other stakeholders working with school-based health promotion. So it should not be a research presentation, but a presentation based on research. You could, for example, find one of your previous conference presentations and adjust it to fit this target group. Perhaps if you did a presentation at the SHE conference in Moscow last November, you could use that. You can choose how you want to present your material. For example, PowerPoint has an excellent function you can use. If you had not used that before, you can get a few hints of how to do it at the end of this video. It is up to you if you prefer just to speak over your slides, or if you would like to add a video of you speaking over your slides, like I'm doing in this video. And this video is also made in PowerPoint. If you prefer not to use slides, you can just make a video of yourself explaining about your research. Perhaps you can just use your phone to record this. You just have to remember to tilt your phone so the recording is done horizontal. So you can choose a method. It's just important to check if the sound quality is good. If you decide to make this small video, then after the approval from the SHE Secretariat, your video will be uploaded to the SHE YouTube channel. That way you can always link to this page if you want to use your video for other things. If you would like some inspiration of how this could be done, I have made a video like this, and you can find that on the SHE YouTube channel. So just let me know if you're interested in making such a video and just send it to me when it's done. And please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or comments. So if you would like to know more about how you can use PowerPoint to record your video, then just keep on watching this video. If you don't need that information, you can stop the video now, and then thanks for watching, and have fun recording your video. For those of you who are staying on, well, firstly, the only reason why I've chosen to introduce the PowerPoint function is that it is the only program I have tried out so far. So please feel free to use any program you are familiar with. If you would like to use the function in PowerPoint, first you select the menu Slideshow, and then you choose Record Slideshow. You can choose from two options, either start recording from the beginning or to record from the slide you are on. So if you choose start recording from the beginning, you will now see your first slide like this. Here you can now start speaking. Just click on the red round button saying record. Just to make a note that you can click on the little icon called notes in the middle of the top of the screen. This will show you the notes you wrote, but it will not be shown on the recording. Then it's important to know that each recording is saved per slide. Like you can see here in the left hand side of my slides that there is a little video of me on each slide. So if you need to make some adjustments, you can just choose the specific recording for that slide and delete that part of the recording and retake it. So you don't need to record everything again if you make a mistake. When you're done, you save a copy of your presentation, but not in PowerPoint format. You can choose the Windows Media video format, as you can see here. Just note that it can take a few minutes for the file to be saved in this format, so just be patient. Then when you're done, just send it off to me. Have fun. Bye bye for now.